Today we are showing you how to rearm your Spinlock Alto Belt Pack. All you need is a Spinlock Alto Rearming Kit, which you can buy from us. The link is in the description. In this kit you are provided with two 16-gram gas cylinders and two green firing arm clips. Firstly, deflate your Alto using the inflation tube cap. Put the end cap into the top of the tube and get as much air out as possible, as shown on the screen now. Put your inflation tube cap back on and turn the bladder so that the cylinder is on top. Remove the used cylinder. Reset the manual firing line. Attach the green firing arm clip as shown. Then, screw in your new gas cylinder, making sure it's tight and secure. Now turn the bladder over so that the inflation tube is now on top. Then, simply follow the fold lines in number order. Pop your now folded bladder inside the belt pack cover, ensuring the firing line is free to run. If it's not fitting, there may be excess air, in which case unfold the bladder and try to release some more.